Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So as you can tell by the title, today's video is going to be a little bit of a haul slash unboxing video. As you guys know, my birthday was about a week ago and I got a bunch of things for my birthday and also a package from Influenster because I won one of their Twitter contests. So I thought I'd unbox that with you guys today also. Yeah, so if you guys like these kinds of videos, make sure you give it a big thumbs up. Also, don't forget that if you are not already, to make sure you subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so that you can be notified every time that I upload. And without further ado, let's get into the video. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to unbox with you guys is this Influenster package. It says discover, review, and share. If you guys don't know what Influencer is, I have a video. I will link it down in the description box so you guys can get familiar with it. But Influencer had a Twitter contest. Influencer had a Twitter contest for their L'Oreal Color Rich lipsticks and lip pencils back in August. And I won that contest back in August, and they forgot to send out the prizes for the winners. So with a lot of persistence, me and the other 4 girls or 5 girls commented, reached out, emailed, and we finally got our packages just this past week. So it's a big package like this. It came in another box. Okay, so this is what it looks like. It looks like a bunch of random things. It doesn't really look like anything that had to do with L'Oreal specifically. So there is a postcard that says, "Congrats, hello Rockstar. Hello Rockstar. There's really no other way to put this. You're the best. You earned an amazing prize inside. You earned the amazing prize inside this box by being a model member of the Influencer Nation. Thanks for making Influencer the best community of product lovers in the world." And then there's a bunch of other stuff that it says. So there's that. Okay. So, oops, sorry. So inside the box there is this Dickinson's Original Witch Hazel Daily Refreshingly Clean Cleansing Cloths. So that'll be interesting. It's in the scent. Oh no, it doesn't have. I guess it doesn't have a scent. It just says with aloe, with botanical extracts. So that's interesting. I've never used this brand before. And then there's Gillette Venus Embrace razors. Feels dramatically smoother, longer. There's 3 disposable razors, it looks like, in here. Also, there is a Dove Dry Spray Antiperspirant 48 Hours Cool Essentials. Oh, that smells really good. So that'll be interesting. I don't really go for scents. I usually just go for like powder fresh or whatever, but that'll be interesting. And then there is a sample size of Water Resistant Airbrush Legs by Sally Henson in the shade Light. So I don't even know if this will work for me because I'm already a tad bit darker. And then last but not least, there is Sinful Colors Professional Nail Polish in the shade Super Cooper. It says limited time stoned crystal shimmer. So I don't know if you guys can see that, which looks pretty cool if I started to do my nails again. But yeah, so I want to say thank you to Influencer. I really appreciate it. But yeah, once again, if you guys don't know what Influencer is, I will link my video down below so that you guys can familiarize yourself with it. Okay, so the next thing I got is I got my free birthday gifts from Sephora and Ulta. So the birthday gift for the month of January, I'm not sure if it's every month, but for the month of January at least, is the Glam Glow Hello Sexy. It looks like this, and inside there is a Super Mud Cleansing Treatment and a Glow Starter Mega Illuminating Moisturizer. So I'm pretty excited. I haven't tried anything from Glam Glow, so I will try this out and let you guys know how I like it. Maybe I'll update you down below. And then from Ulta, their gift was the Ulta Beauty Collection. There's a lip mask and then a juiced infused lip oil. So the lip mask is a moisturizing gel mask infused with vitamin E, and the lip oil is a high shine sheer finish formula infused with natural ingredients to nourish and smooth lips. So that's exciting. I've never tried a lip oil before, so I'm pretty excited about that. So from Sephora, I got this. I've been eyeing this I've been eyeing this up for a long time. So this is the Sephora Rose Face Mask. I saw this on the Influenster app as a, I don't know, a brand new product or something like that. But this is a ultra moisturizing and brightening face mask. So I'm excited to try that. I've been getting into skincare lately, so I'm super excited about all the skincare stuff that I've been getting. And then I got a couple things from Ulta. So the next thing I got from Ulta is the EcoTools Perfecting Blender Duo. So if you guys watched the Taylor, if you don't, I'll link her video or her channel down below. But she's amazing. I love her. She's based out of Seattle, and she does amazing reviews on beauty blenders, foundations, all kinds of new stuff. Wish, makeup, like everything. But she reviewed these and she loved the bigger one, so I wanted to give it a shot. Also from Ulta, I got the new Maybelline Face Studio Blender. I know I just showed you that I got a new beauty sponges, but I wanted to get this one from Maybelline because I've never tried it, and I just think it looks so cute. It has a very different shape. I don't know if you guys could see it. There you go. It has a very different shape, like a curved shape, so I'm excited to try this one. And then last but not least, I had to pick up another set of my favorite lashes, and these are the Ardell Mega Volumes in 250. You guys will be able to see the number. But these are the ones that I wear for like a super glam look. I love these. Absolutely love, love, love them. Okay, so last but not least, I did make a purchase on Ulta.com. I didn't get too much, but I did want to get some new brushes. So I decided to order from Ulta.com because they don't sell Morphe brushes at the Ulta store here. So I did get 5 new brushes. So this is the Morphe 501. I believe this is a highlighter brush, a pointed highlighter brush. I'm not going to unpackage them right now because I will use them in a video coming up. I got the M431. Let's see. M431 is the precision pencil brush. The M507, which is the pointed mini blender. You guys could see that because the package is like shining, reflecting. M518 is the crease fluff brush. You guys will see that one a little bit better because it's white. And then I got the M441, which is the Pro Firm Blending Crease Brush. I also got this. This is the Philosophy Amazing Grace Ballet Rose. I smelled this in a like one of those samples that they send with your Ulta catalog, and I loved it, like those paper thingies, and oh, I love it. My husband says I wear old lady scents, but that just means that they're floral and like not super fresh. They're more floral than they are fresh, but they smell so good. So I got this gorgeous little bottle. I don't know why, but I love this little bottle. And then the last thing I picked up was the Maybelline Fit Me Concealer in medium. I've heard a lot of people rave about this. I think Raw Beauty Christie is one of them, and I've been wanting to try it. So I did want to pick up one of these. Oh no, that wasn't the last thing. So the last thing that I got is the Maybelline Super Stay Full Coverage Foundation in the shade Golden. I know this isn't new. I know it's reformulated, but I didn't try the old formula, so I was excited to try this one. That's the reason that I got the Maybelline sponge in store, was because of this foundation. Oh, sorry. So yeah, I'm excited to try this. This will probably come in a first impressions, actually. And then obviously just like the Sephora samples or the Ulta samples. So for the samples, they sent Honest Beauty Beyond Hydrated Shampoo and Conditioner and Bliss Grapefruit and Aloe Body Butter Maximum Moisture Cream. Thanks guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, go ahead and give it a big thumbs up. Also, don't forget that if you are not already, make sure you subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell so that you can be notified every time that I upload. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.